Okay, hello everybody. I'm Robert Kennedy. This is one of my two sons, Caleb. We just got in off the road from a big long family road trip and found a couple of boxes here that had arrived in the mail. Pretty sure the second box is a couple copies of my unauthorized Future Driver's Guide to Military Vehicles book that I wrote with my kids. And I'll open that in another video because first I am way too excited to postpone opening this. It is coming to me from Quarto Publishing Group. Pretty darn sure this is the very first advanced copy of Mustang Unbridled. So we're going to cut it open and see, right?
Yep.
Okay. Hopefully I won't cut my fingers here. This has been a long time coming. Of course, the book itself releases to the public on April 14th, just a few days before Mustang's 62nd birthday. Ford Blue, of course. That's a nice touch. Zach and everybody at Motor Books, division of Quarto. They wrapped it up good. Aha! Congratulations, it says. With the little Quarto logo. And check it out, dude. There it is. Mustang Unbridled, the high-octane history of Ford's legendary pony car. Robert M. Kennedy with foreword by John M. Kluwer. Over the next few days, I'm sure I will, or weeks, be coming back and rereading little excerpts here to everybody to help promote it. But I want to thank everybody involved with both the original Unbridled version that I had self-published, the $100 coffee table style, and also everybody involved with this thoroughly updated version. Mustang Unbridled, about 80% of the main story is pretty much the same. The remaining 20% all updated to reflect new things that have happened since that original one came out. More condensed photo section, and this is selling for only $32. It's on sale, pre-sale through my website, through Barnes & Noble and all these other major retailers' sites. It's going to be in brick and mortar stores. This is a major release. $32, that is 66% cheaper than it used to be. So thank you to everybody that was involved. I'm super excited, and we'll have more coming soon, right?
Yep.
All right. See you soon.